ti-event timbirhi leti nga humelela hi nkarhi wun'we leti ni twaka onge ti nyanyisa ku avana na ku hambana kumbe division leyi nga kona exikarhi ka Vatsonga. Gagash's birthday celebration out in Pretoria Cara Lounge, and also Ben Mayangani's graduation celebration out in Tembisa. Simple Kitchen. Hello, action mashakan toto kambana bana Vitora mina Mandla Gingirikani waka mashaba ekesdorski twele kininyora. I'm testing totora salute menga titimeli nakenzo kwa mina mtuna lega Nkanelo Gingirikani, and thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Akenzo snene. Yeah, maybe we need to address the elephant in the room. So I did my nails as I was doing my locks. This lady's like, oh, can I do your nails? I'm like, they're so nice. I'm like, yeah, go ahead, darling. And she did my nails, and they look nice, don't they? Now that is out the way, let's talk about the real stuff. The reason we are here. Okay, minga miswoni lukuku mele in the past weekend. So nabla the event that mbere oh, before yakona nla kumtisa kuna ngono ko lowana kutisa ku ngona busekete bya R Funerals. Loko mla ku join R Funerals tihlanganise na bona ka nomboro le ya 064 is 947 7681. Yeah, that's the number there to dial ku mkota ku hlanganisa na ba R Funerals. Mi hatla mi pfuneka nkarhi wa ri kona ku loko busuka mi loveriwile kumbe xani varhandza van'wana va hi siye xitshuketani mi kota ku pfuneka nkarhi wa ri kona. Please join R Funerals namuntlha u nga sele ndzhaku u nga titimeli u na tati. Okay, so two events that happened this past weekend which I feel like had a potential to unite, but I feel like the fact that they happened at the same time, from my point of view, I feel like the tinyanyisa ku hambana kumbe ku avana ka hina Vatsonga. Firstly, I want to congratulate Munofana Gagash. Gagash is a Xitsonga upcoming or promoter, you know, Xitsonga music promoter. I feel like he's doing events, he does events. And then kubena showing one where Mr. Why not ne lowa mtiwe Mr. Gagash kubena showing one life ne umendere halagyan o alakandambi alakazumiri yoko enga umelelanga akuri show ya yena. And then I feel like the rain and other things had to play there, and then people were like sort of mocking him, laughing at him and all that about these events kuruvela yona Ivan ashuvula at the build up eventually. So but then Gagash redeemed himself this past weekend, man, by pulling out the big event le nga endla ku ba ku celebrate wa birthday and blah blah event le in details ka the next video. Right now I just want to talk about what I'm here for. So I just want to congratulate him for that, for hosting us and also making sure that we enjoy, you know. It was nice, man. It's good to have vanofana about Gagash ka music wa Xitsonga, because Xitsonga xana xa tlakuka na music wa hina wa tlakuka wu ya henhla, you know. So congratulations. And again, the only lesson I learned ka swa Gagash ku va a tsandzeka ku va show yena ya why not humelerini ka ndhambi kumbe ka dzumeri a swi n'wi dlangi moya wa yena ku ve wu ya hansi u tlha a ya mahlweni a zama futhi ku endla another event ku ri birthday ya yena a Pitori and ku tsakisa ku tela. Ta vulavula swona in details ka the next video, please. And I also want to congratulate Maseda Nkuzana. I think I also want to congratulate vurhangeri bya Simple Kitchen. Va endla ntirho wa kahle ngopfu hi haleni ha hungasa hi tiphina hi vunanga bya Xitsonga, you know. You know, hi nga hakeli na timali, you know, swa kale leswiya hi tolovele ku loko hi ka ti-festival kumbe laha ku nga na ti-performance ta vanhu va Xitsonga, unless if they are launching an album, usually ku ngheniwa hi mali. So cancer ku va vurhangeri bya Simple Kitchen le a Tembisa. So it's good. I just feel like the fact that according to my observation from where I am standing, because Gagash loko swi sungula ti-event le Simple Kitchen ari yena MC, I just don't know what happened there, mara swi tikomba nga ri sweswo nga ri ku na ku nga ri va dzahisani kahle fole. That's why kuma ku loko ku ndliwa event hala ku ku na event yin'wana se swi ni nga ri ku nga ri ku na ku hambana laha ku nga kona. And tu nga ri swi tlherisa ndhaku laha ka loko vulavula hi unity ya Vatsonga leyi kalaka swinene. And ku va vona va ri vambirhi lava hi ku twa hi ku vona ka mina ni vona ku nga ri vanhu lava vurhangeri bya Simple Kitchen na Gagash they i vanhu lava nga na talenta kumbe va na anointing kumbe xa ntoto wa ku rhandziwa hi vanhu loko va endla swilo swa vona swa famba. So imagine if these people were working together, the unity that will be there, it will be something, it will be adding to the small unity that we have, could at least she anchanyana. Because right now in Vatsonga is divided ni ko tala ka hi swiyenge swo hambanahambana, and na hi swiyenge swa music ma swi tiva na n'wina, we can't even debate about it. So ni nga ri loko va endla ti-event timbirhi hi nkarhi wun'we va ri vanhu lava a va tirha swin'we swo endla nga ri vo endlela na ku khanya lowun'wana vo endlela ku khanyana, so which I feel like is not good for both of them and for us, because you don't want the situation where sometimes where people can sabotage each other's events. Those kind of elements in the future, we don't want those. So I will just humbly plead to both of them, just Simple Kitchen, Gagash, guys, come on, let's unite and bring Vatsonga together. Because you have the power, you have the muscle. You may not have the financial power, but mina ntoto ka ku kucetela vanhu ku va taka swilo swa n'wina. So loko the platform ta n'wina ti kha ti tirhisana, because we know Gagash is powerful. He's one of the biggest MC ka the events. We also know ku very Simple Kitchen na bona va endla swo hlamarisa ka dyiwa laha ndzeni ku tlhe ku va na bunanga, vanhu va tsaka ku va kahle. That's why sometimes I feel like maybe chicken lick linga la I fane yi susiwa la Simple Kitchen ku va na space school yard yi kota ku tsaka. Mara I just had that concern ku ri after kisi ku loko ya iku ku mina ni la ku attend both, but it's difficult, it would be nice ku va twanana ku okay, this weekend is my turn, you do your stuff, or I'll come and support you. Okay, next weekend is your turn. I will hold on a bit and then I'll come and support you. Kuna that thing, that unity thing. But right now, to shoot kumari telugu kuna what we call Cold War. I used to get like mara, and then kuna Cold War between the two, which is not good. So my only concern, I just have a concern. I'm just raising a concern here. I'm not here to blame anybody because I don't really know the details. I just wanted to say it would be nice if Simple Kitchen and why not why not is part of the people that are doing the why not stuff, because I understand there's other people there. Mara, it would be nice to see that unity happening. I mean, look, okay, celebrate Pitori, celebrate birthday Gagash, then there's another thing happening hala. Very good, as you also. Mara, it will be nice, man. But congratulations to Gagash, because to pull an event like that, where it's your celebration, and then a mahal, I understand the artists. For example, Namena Loguze Ali. Like I told you guys, after the event, if I'm not invited, so by inviting our funerals because they're one of the sponsors. Tali Gagash birthday celebration, so we went there. The pinasnen, and I also understand kuna Simple Kitchen about the even though we heard kurukubena kwashetarana ima botlele, whether it was after Benny Manga's performance or before, the fact that there was that issue, safety and all that, which is not good. And we also saw the statement of Simple Kitchen. Korea swa humela ku ri vele loko Benny Mangani xa performing ma stiva ku ri ku va na huyi leswaku venue kone fene security fene too tight. So it just one of those things it's not nice, man. Na swi tisa ku vanhu va supporta ku music wa Xitsonga vo tala loko ku nghena artist leyi va yi rhandzaka before yi nghena ku va na nyanyu, ku va na that excitement yi va kona. Mara the reason I'm talking is because I go to these places, ne? So I don't want a situation where next weekend ni baku ibuye bodlele are a simple kitchen. Kumi ibuye bodlele arka why not a pitu. It's not nice, those kind of things. So I just wanted to say, nah, I don't like those kind of things. I've said this thing before. Lokoku wana event one thing of shit or marriage previously, and I condemn, and I'm also doing the same here to condemn those things. Those actions are not nice because we want people to be safe. Like enjoy. I like look say it's like that way funny ya ka ndawo yo karhle it's like that ka naru kumbe kambiri, you know. So and I feel like if these two forces, Simple Kitchen's leadership and why not leadership or Gagash and whoever is in charge of this, whatever they're doing that side, could merge or continue with how they were doing stuff before, because I know for a fact Gagash used to be at Simple Kitchen as an MC. I just don't know what happened. So Mara right now because I remember that at that time I could not performance Mansandlene a Simple Kitchen, and then all of a sudden I perform, but I'm hearing Bilika eventing one Pitur, which is, you know, which I grew why not? It was why not, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I feel like it was why not Pretoria, and then Bangaya la kukina by mira la Simple Kitchen. Then you know, so ngari kuna kukwetembetana kunga and the shindla kukwana division, because understand if, for example, an artist like Mansan Lenuaku, I feel very performance a Simple Kitchen. Then all of a sudden she cancel one. She's like in English, kasi why avaya sevali halava hatina why, you know. But yeah, I just feel like, guys, sort out your issues. I feel like you have been entrusted with us. It's your responsibility to unite us. As much as there's business, there's whatever, but at the end of the day, there's life, there's entertainment, there's unity thing. It's called nation building process. I understand it's a business, but you have a responsibility to unite us as Vatsonga, because you have that power to make sure put us together. I'm not trying to preach. I don't want to be preaching. So in the next video, in details, Kara Lounge ila aircona kaiti pina celebration and Gagash. You know, to put an event like that, kungena mal kuru celebration away na it's not easy. Naman matavatela wafkangena imali. Yo, maybe it speaks something about that place. I don't know, in terms of safety, comfortability, you know. But I just feel like, yeah, I wanted to see Simple Kitchen. Why not get together and work together? We want to work together. We want to unite Vatsonga. How are we talking about uniting Vatsonga Mara? Vanlavanga responsible naku hosta. They look or behave like they're like this. Why? You know? Because I know nobody's gonna say this kind of things. Because Vanabalag Zondiwa, Avalagu Teka Masaiti, which you can say your opinion without having to take a side, you know. Kuri, what is the right thing to be done right now? I feel like for the fact yaku wana peace, let's fix whatever issues are there and then we continue. Yes. And I'm Gagash is someone I know from a distance. Never love from Simple Kitchen, I just see them from a distance. Mara, I can see kuna some rift or cold war that is there, that is taking place right now, and it needs to be fixed. Fix it. Let's fix it, guys. Okay, let me get out of here. Our funerals bakumen amidrens weto Giani Malamlele, Haman Skral, Pushback Rich, Wakwana Dotoka Manambana, Ganambrelea, 064 947 7681. I infant Koramakuna number because I need to. Hey, you're not number total like so. Hey, Mauken Lamon, I could be go. I guess that's Minga Titi made. Salute. Dinganio, Cometo.